Hello guys, hope you guys are doing good. It's me, Blue Master again. So today we'll be covering a lesson on zones, which we send a free PDF or explain them. Just that now we wanna do a practical example. And if you didn't get the free PDF, just go to our Instagram page, which is universe_traders, and DM us your email, then we'll send you that free PDF. So without wasting any time, let's just get into it. And if you don't know how to navigate through your TradingView platform, we made a video in our YouTube channel where we explain how to use it. So we'll be looking at US30, USD CAD, Euro JPY, and Nasdaq. So let me just start with US30 and show you a practical example of how to draw your zones. So here we go. Alright, I'm just gonna remove all these drawings. So if you read our free PDF document, you'll remember that we said that for us to have a zone, we should have a rally, then a base, which is a brief pause in price action. Then you should have a rally again. Then after having another rally after a brief pause in price action, then that's where you draw your zone. Let me just do this and show you how. So it's a rally, a brief pause in price action, then a drop. Then that's where we draw our zone. I'm just gonna choose a rectangle here. There on the body of the green candle. Just do that. Okay, so here is our zone there. So it's a drop, a brief pause in price action, then a drop. So what we're gonna wait for after drawing this zone, it's either you'll wait for the price to come back and retest this zone, or continue the drop, or break above the zone as you see here and retest it again and go up. So another thing, as you can remember in our free document, if you have a spring formation, it also shows confluence. You have more than one reason to draw a zone. So here is our spring formation here. Let me just so that it can be clear for you guys. Here's our spring formation. Spring formation. If you don't know what spring formation means, this just means that you see after that green candle, buyers tried to push up the price, but it failed and continued dropping. So that's what we call spring formation. So remember, you have a rally first, a brief pause in price action, as you can see here, then a drop. Then you'll have to wait for the price to come back to that zone, either to test and keep going down, or break above the zone, retest and push up. So that's that on US30. So we'll move on to USD CAD, US dollar and Canadian dollar. There we go. Just forgive me for this. Let me just delete that. Delete. Oh, I actually shouldn't have deleted it, but it's fine. Okay. Here, if you check again, look, this is a rally, a brief pause in price, as you can see on that red candle. Then you draw your rectangle on the body of the candle, on the closing and opening price, as you can see. Then from there, as you can see, sellers tried pushing down, but they failed. then the price shot up. After shooting up, it had to come back and retest, then the continues to go up, as you can see. There we go. So it's a rally, brief pause in price, then goes up again, it comes back and retests it and continues going up. So that's on US dollar and Canadian dollar. And guys, if you don't understand this, we have a PDF, a free PDF, where you can just go and check, where we explained with the words and gave an example of pictures on how to do it. Again, just go to our Instagram page. It's universe_traders. Send us DM of your email, then we'll send you the free PDF document so you can get a better understanding of this. So another one, let's just check another pair. What can we check? Let's just say EuroJPY. It's one of my favorite pairs. Let's see on 4 hours. Let me just do that. So it's so if you look at this here, you have a drop in price there, a brief pause. Let's just draw that. There we go. Remember, on the you have to draw it on the opening and closing of the candle. Then there we go. So there we go. We have a drop, a brief pause in price, then a rally again, then comes back and retests the zone. As you can see, you just have to, after establishing the zone, you must wait for it to rally, then to come back and retest, and that's where you'll get your entry. And remember guys, anything can happen on this zone. It's either it can break and retest, continue going up, or it can just, after that rally, just come back and retest and keep dropping. And you can also learn to just catch a few pips. Let's just check where we can also see just a little bit of where we can catch a few pips then. So there we go again. You have a rally, a brief pause in price action. Let's draw this again. There we go again. So here the market pushed up, it paused a bit, then after pausing it rallied up, rejected on our zone there, and came down, retested the zone of us, went up again, and came and broke this zone, retested it just there, you can see the wick, and kept dropping. So that's how you draw your zones, so you can chow from zone to zone. Let's say if you have this zone and you have this zone, you can have a nice entry there and get out here. And if you see a price rejection on your other zone, you can also just enter there again. Then here, as you can see, it broke the zone, retested it, and kept dropping. Let me just check the last one. I know people love Nasdaq, so we'll just go over there and check how we can check if you can see a zone there. So Nasdaq, there we go, nice one. Just excuse all these drawings. These other zones will show you how to draw them, which is a bit different from what we send on the free PDF document, but we're gonna send another one. If you can just go, as I said, universe_traders, that's our Instagram page. Go there, DM us your email, and we'll be gladly to send you the free document where we explain how to draw the previous zones and these other zones free of charge. Okay, so let's look for a zone. Remember, we have to look for what? A move in price, then pause. After that pause, then the market must push up or down, then we wait for a retest. So let's go on this one. Which one is a nicer one? So the market pushed up here, as you can see. After it pushed up here, I mean from here it pushed up till there. You can draw your zone here. This is on 4 hours, remember guys. Draw it like that. Let me see if I drew it perfect. Let's see. And the body of the candle. There we go guys. Now you see the market pushed up, then a brief pause in price action, then pushed up again and came and retested our zone there and kept pushing up. And for confluence guys, to show that this is a strong zone, remember what we're gonna have is what we call that spring formation. Spring formation. Spring formation. There we go. So a push in price, a brief pause in price action. The pause mustn't be too large, which means the market mustn't be moving in the same area for a lot of time. Just a little bit of a pause in price action, then a push up, then a retest, then you can take your trade. Voila, then you got it. Then I think I've covered how to draw these zones. If you want detailed information about it, just do as I said, send us your email and we'll be happy to send you guys the free PDF where we cover this. So just go ahead and hit the subscribe button here so you can get more free information and improve your trading results. Zones are very powerful if you know how to draw them. I'm telling you, if you're making hundred of dollars now, you can improve your trading results to maybe start getting thousands, but it takes a while and effort. You have to put effort and study the market, back test as much as you can, and eventually you'll be able to spot these patterns without even thinking hard. So guys, that will be all. Thanks for your time. I hope you understand how to draw these zones, and if you don't, we'll be happy to cover your questions. You can just ask some questions in the comments below, or even on our Instagram page on comments, then we'll answer you. So that will be all. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.